the Boys, Always and Forever is a 2021 American teen romantic comedy film directed by Michael Famognari and starring Lana Condor and Noah Centineo. The film is based on Jenny Han's 2017 novel Always and Forever, Lara Jean, and is a sequel to All the Boys, P.S. I Still Love You, 2020. And the third and final installment in the To All the Boys film series. It was released on February 12, 2021, by Netflix. Plot, edit, Lara Jean Covey, accompanied by her sisters Kitty and Margot, her father Dan, and her neighbor Trina Rothschild, visits Seoul for spring break. She reconnects with the memory of her mother by searching for a lock her mother had left on a bridge to memorialize her love for Dan, and finally manages to read her accompanying message, which says, "For the rest of my life." Returning home, she mentions to her boyfriend, Peter Kavinsky, that the two of them never had a meet-cute. Meeting Peter's disbelief because he remembers their first meeting quite well. She nervously waits for the result of her Stanford University application so she can attend college with Peter. As Dan's relationship with Trina becomes more serious and the family begins to plan their upcoming wedding, Lara Jean is disappointed when she is accepted to her safety schools, the University of California, Berkeley and New York University, but is rejected from Stanford. Initially leaning towards Berkeley to live closer to Peter, Lara Jean enjoys New York City during a school trip and decides on NYU. She explains her decision to Peter, but his disappointment at her decision is palpable, and he decides to break up with her on prom night to save himself what he sees as the inevitable breakdown of a long-distance relationship. Respecting Lara Jean's wishes, Peter skips Dan and Trina's wedding. He also meets with his formerly absentee father for a meal and chooses to try and reconnect despite the years of his absence. After the wedding festivities, Kitty conspires with Peter to set up a meeting between him and Lara Jean under the wedding tent. Lara Jean finds a letter in her yearbook from Peter containing his account of their first meeting in 6th grade and a proposed contract to always love each other despite the 3,000 miles (4,800 kilometers) between Stanford and NYU. Peter walks in and asks her to sign on, to which she joyfully assents. The film ends with Lara Jean's reflection on wanting what she has with Peter. Regardless of what films say and what stereotypes say about long-distance relationships, she remains optimistic that the distance will offer them the opportunity to keep writing love letters to one another. Production, edit. The producers began work on Always and Forever while P.S. I Still Love You was still in production, hiring Katie Lovejoy to write the script of Han's third novel and Michael Famognari to direct. Principal photography began in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada on July 15, 2019. 2 months after production on the second film wrapped, although the production was formally announced only in August 2019.